Remember me to the one who lives there. For she was once the true love of man. We go where the snowflakes fall, when the river freezes and the summer rains. To see if she has a coat so warm, keep her from the howling winds. To see if her hair is long, if it rolls and flows down her breast. They say for me her hair's hanging long, for that's the way I remember her best. I'm wondering if she remembers me at all. Many times I often pray, in the darkness of my night, in the brightness of my day, to go traveling to North Country Fair, where the winds hit heavy on the board. Remember me, who's the one who lives there. She's the one who's called the true love of mine. She was once the true love of mine. Well, how do they pluck us off? Soulfings again with you with another classic from Bob Dylan, of course, and The Girl from the North Country. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that he performs this song in, okay, which is like G, okay, key of G. So let's get to it. It's quite a very simple song really. It's only got basically 4 chords in it. You've got a basically G chord. I'm playing it like this because we need to do this second. We need to do this hammer chord. So it starts off with a backward, what I call a backward G like this, okay? Then what we've got to do is we've got to take off the second finger and utilise the first finger and hammer into what looks like an A minor 7th. First fret of the second string, second fret of the 4th string, keeping the bottom finger, the third finger, on the 3rd fret of the bottom E string from the G, okay? And also the pinky can stay on the top E string 3rd fret as well, okay? So you just hammer those 2 fingers into what looks like an A minor 7th shape. 2nd fret 4th string, 1st fret 2nd string. And this is backwards and forwards between those 2 for the intro for a few times. I do it 3 times I think. So basically it's like boom, ching. Let's try and slow that right down for you. Got the idea? So I do that 3 times and he kicks in with the singing, okay, so it's sits on the G. Right, here we go. Right, so those chords, you've got this like a, you can imagine a C chord, straightforward C chord, standard C. You move it up 2 frets. Right, so I'm resting my thumb on the bottom E string, so I'm muting that, okay, and there's 5 downwards, okay, so I mean, if you do hit the bottom E string, it doesn't sound quite so, slight discord there. I would try and mute it if I could, or try to miss the bottom E string altogether, okay, 5 downwards, and it's like a C chord, 2 frets up, so I'm playing the 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string, 2nd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 4th string, open 3rd string, 1st finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, open top E string, 5 downwards, and this is a, if you want to give it a name, I think it's called a D add 4 add 9th, okay, should sound like that. And then it goes down to a standard C chord, then back to the G, and this, and that chord is like a C over G. It's a C chord with G in the bass, basically. Okay. So from the beginning, slowly. Travelling to the North Country Fair again, where the winds hit heavy on the borderline. Right, now this time, instead of going to the D chord, we go run down to E minor on the bottom E string. So you play the 3rd on the bottom E string, 2nd, and then bottom E string open, E minor. So it goes where the winds hit heavy on the borderland. Okay, got that. Remember me to the C, 1. G there, D chord again, Jesus was a C, true love of G, and that's it, that's all the way through. There's what, 4 verses, 5 verses, and they're all the same to play, okay, so that's it, you've got everything you need to play the song, okay, so we'll just go through that again very slowly. So it starts off with, I did 3 of these, G to a C with G in the bass sort of thing, hammer in, right, sit on the G, when you're ready, D. If you're travelling to the C, North Country Fair, C to C in the bass, G, D, where the wind hit heavy, hit C on the line, run down to E minor. Remember me, C on the G riff, D, for she was once a C, true love of mine. She once was a true love of mine. And that's how I would end it, something like that. Just repeat the last line on the last verse, which is the same as the first verse, and just slow it down and just finish on a G. So there you have it, boys and girls. Hope that makes sense to you, and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.